Many of you must have come across a raw files like these where the sheet needs some formatting before you can start working on it. Typically, people align the data to the center, adjust column widths, add borders, and bold the headers to make it look more presentable. If you are doing this manually every time, so this is time consuming. So I'm going to share one of my VBA which I'm using since the very beginning. I'm just pressing Alt F8 on the keyboard. You can see this macro dialog box. I'm going to select the first macro that is named as format raw data. If I click on run, you can see the magic here. Now, let's say you want to save this data as a PDF file and you're doing this particular stuff many times while working in your company. So instead of doing it manually, what you can do is just select your data, whatever you want to save as a PDF. And I have other VBA for this that is by the name of Save PDF. If I'm going to click on it, you can see this is asking you for the option where you want to save it. So I'm going to select desktop and report one. Just click on save and you can see the result here. Now, one thing that you should notice, there are two sheets. In the first sheet, we have the last column as inventory values, whereas in this sheet, we have the last column as discontinued. In order to fix it, just go to the View tab and click on Page Break Preview. Now go to this blue line, select it and drag it to the end of this box. That's it. Now click on Normal, select your data again, press Alt F8, click on Save PDF and run again. Now I'm going to save it by the name of report 2, and this time you can see all my data here in one sheet. Now the last VBA that is extremely helpful if you're sending emails to your colleague, to your manager, or even to your boss. Let's say I just want to send the first 4 column from this table to my colleague. So instead of doing it manually and writing an email, what I can do is I can simply select my data, press Alt F8, and use my last VBA that says send email with selected table and just click on run. And here's the magic. You can modify the recipient name here, the subject, whatever you want. You already have the data here. I hope these 3 macros can save a lot of time while working with Excel. I have mentioned the link of all these 3 VBAs in the comment section. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up on this video and let me know if you want any other VBA on the comment section. Thank you.